Welcome to PharmaState News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World.
US jury verdict goes against Johnson & Johnson's talcum powder, a product that is popular in India too. A court in the US state of California ordered Johnson & Johnson to compensate a woman to the tune of $29 million for cancer complications she developed from using the company's talcum powder. Government Jan Aushadhi scheme hurts local pharmaceutical market. One of the key elements of Jan Aushadhi scheme contributing to the tapering of growth is the rise in trade generics, which has adversely impacted branded generics where the margins are higher for domestic companies. Pharma and healthcare analytics is going to be the next big thing in India. Pharma industry is currently entering a wave of innovation thanks to disruptive computer-based technologies. Pharma companies like Dr. Reddy's and others are using analytics to be ahead of the competition. Here is the Indian pharma stocks update. Within the Indian pharma sector, the top gainers are IPCA Labs up 2.8% and Orchid Pharma up 2.2%. On the other hand, Panacea Biotech down 1.5% is the top loser. Ministry of Health calls for blocking e-cigarette maker Juul's entry into country as per report. JUUL has plans to launch its products in India by late 2019 as it looks to expand away from its home turf. The company has already hired new executives and plans to open an India subsidiary. FDA drops decisional letter on Lupin sterile drug operations. The problems at the UP and finished dose plant are extensive according to a 25-page Form 483 that was posted by the FDA when the inspection concluded. In December at Mandideep Unit 1 plant. Blackstone to acquire Ayumi Pharmaceutical. Blackstone has announced that private equity funds managed by Blackstone have entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Ayumi Pharmaceutical Corporation, pharmaceutical company in Japan focused on anti-rheumatism and ortho. The Ajay Piramal-led Piramal Enterprises is considering a re-entry into the domestic formulations business. Piramal sold its domestic formulations business, which manufactured, marketed and sold branded pharmaceutical products in India, Nepal and Sri Lanka in finished form, for $3.72 billion in 2010. Thermo Fisher to invest $150 million in expanding pharma services. Thermo Fisher has announced that it is investing $150 million in its pharma services business to provide additional capacity for sterile liquid and lyophilized product development manufacturing. Zydus receives final approval from the US FDA for valsartan and hydrochlorothiazide tablets. The approved products will be manufactured at the group's formulations manufacturing facility at Moria, Ahmedabad. For details you can visit the news link shown with the news bite. And for quick pharma industry updates download PharmaState app.